rapper while I'm up at the podium. Pharaoh folding them like wash clothes again. I'm a vulture when the flow go choke you can. Broke, I leave most of them. Slow, I keep my motion in. Eye on the prize. I silence the wise with lyrics making scientists cry. Making the secret society expose their purpose. Making them unleash info and exploding my surface. I'm taking my time to birth this rap entity earthless. It's showtime, there's no time. Be ready when the curtain split. I'm hurting shit, too powerful for painkillers. On the concrete jungle we walk like trained gorillas. Untamed and my niggas is Kane. Cool G, Rock him, combined into one frame. We like the new mecca of immaculate rappers. Vinny Paz, called the goons, now we back with the clappers.
Remain silent, kill him with what I mentally says. Bloody fez, choky like an Indian res. Kamach, animal Turk, sick with a cannibal smirk. Welcome, this where the murderers lurk. It's my mind to make sure that the sun can work. Scorch bodies, leave all of your gunmen hurt. Pharaoh sultans, create a serious coke jam. And my hand is where the tears of the Pope ran. They stay watching like they keep me on a scope cam. I'm in heaven with the angels and smoke grams. You need God, that's why the earth's so damn. International, trying to get my flow banned. That's cool if I don't kick these prayers. A lot of floods and famine's gonna hit these years. Kamaki back on the chapel stairs. Open the clouds, let the thunder clap your ears.
You wanna put your money up, then motherfucker, then put it for your family sanity, man. I wish that you wouldn't. Niggas got nice flows, just don't know where to put it. And I know your whole life your raps are edited footage. And your mixtape niggas couldn't see my plateaus. All up in my presence while y'all acting bashful. King size cats in any clip they rap flow. Your little light niggas couldn't feed my shadow. From city to city, intersection to section, with you reflexing. With or without a weapon, I'm always stepping, never scared, but always and forever prepared. Yeah, the ones who drink gas, man, it's revenue.
Now rocking with the phallus click in the continent. Total dominance, rise to prominence. In my prime like optimist, stand in astonishment at this conglomerate and access of evil. I know where Osama is. He down in Camp David, down and dirty like a damn basement. The champ must demand greatness from himself or be another contender. There's hundreds of niggas dead left under the river. From the days of slaves to hurricanes and all lanes. See my people's graves floating amongst the waves. There's hell to pay, but the devil don't take checks. I tried to send a message to God, his phone don't take text. I need a new plan, a crook with knowledge. Times is hard, homie, why I took them dollars. Man, my mama got a mortgage, and my little baby sister need books for college. I rob all y'all.
Yo, they want the hood ahead, so they call me first. I get them rappers Gatorade, cause they ball with thirst. This is more than music, but these niggas is mad trash. That's why the stores refuse them. Yo, I'm out in Georgia, went straight to the block. I'm seeing cats motorcycling, dog, I'm doing a wop. I'm a OG, I call my tire niggas a wop. Though they papers ain't right, but they got weight on the block. I love them, hand in hand, see your hands ache. I drunk so much syrup, dog, I stopped eating pancakes. Your niggas cool, dog, mine's absurd hot. Stop frontin' like you's a killer, money your nerve shot. Yo, you's a Paxil nigga, dumping Zola off your coffee. AOTP with exhaust speed. Can't keep a gig cause I'm blingin' with F's, but I got my mind right, so swing your shit to the left.
If I had 24 hours to live, 24 hours, give me 24 seconds, then I'm driving off a bridge.